Welcome to theastrodynamics.com and theastro.com. This website promotes the right way to build a commercial space catalog. I am Jim Durr. I develop computer codes for rapid and automated space catalog building. This website has many self-contained videos for catalog building. If you are familiar with any of the topics, you may skip to other videos of interest. This video presents the second of the three preliminary topics, a proposed SP-type space catalog for rapid commercial space catalog building, in addition to the existing U.S. Air Force, U.S. Space Force, TLE, and SP space catalogs. Rapid space catalog building is the key to space domain awareness, SDA. Again, if you are familiar with any of the preliminary topics, you may skip to other videos such as track association, IOD and DC. The choice of Bauer or Windty algorithm for analytic perturbed orbit propagation in IOD and DC leads respectively to catalog maintenance and catalog building. The input to Bauer or HGB4 is the mean orbital elements in TLE, while that of Windty is the ECI state vector. Unfortunately, today, many researchers do not know that the input and output of the Windty algorithm are ECI state vectors, same as those of the two-body or capital orbit propagator and numerical integration. Therefore, the Windty analytic perturbed algorithm that includes J2, J3, and most of J4 can take advantage of the ECI state vectors in SP or SP-type space catalog for both rapid catalog maintenance and catalog building. The TLE space catalog contains known objects with their mean orbital elements. Therefore, the combination of TLE HGB4 can only process known objects for catalog maintenance. Unknown objects or UCTs have no TLEs until after successful UCT processing of observations of the unknown objects to produce new or candidate ECI state vectors, and then TLE conversion if desired. Orbit propagation in IOD and DC are using ECI state vectors, and therefore the combination of SP Windty can process both known and unknown objects for catalog maintenance and catalog building. Over 6 decades ago, the Astro Standard chose the HGB4 orbit propagator and the two-line element formatted file to build the TLE space catalog. In this example of the TLE of one known object, columns 3 to 7 contain the 5-digit object identification number, satellite ID or SID in short. Decades ago, the 5-digit SID was sufficient. Today, in year 2024, the proposed 42,000 Starlink satellites will use up almost half of the SID available numbers, and therefore a new SID with more digits is needed. This example of the TLE also shows the 6 mean orbital elements of TLE: I, capital omega E, small omega, capital M, and N, which are needed for combination of TLE HGB4 orbit propagation. Here, mean orbital elements implies averaged orbital elements. Note that the mean motion N can be used to compute the mean semi-major axis A. The USSP space catalog, which is classified, contains many formats in times and coordinates, among others. For a proposed unclassified SP-type commercial space catalog, The minimum parameters are SID, time in UTC, and ECI state vector for each cataloged or known space object. Other desired parameters to be added to the SP-type commercial space catalog are object classification, international designator, track term, state covariance matrix, among others. This figure shows the proposed unclassified SP-type commercial space catalog. Number of objects, SID, position vector, velocity vector, time. These parameters can be reordered if desired. Minimum parameters are displayed in a red box. SID may be 8 digits or more. Additional parameters may be state covariance matrix, track terms, among others. Challenges of the current space catalogs. Current challenges in blue and proposed changes in red. Current. SID limited to 5 digits. Change 8 or more digits to account for future objects or satellites. Current. Number of sensors limited to 3 digits. Change 8 or more digits to account for ground and space sensors. Current. US Air Force B3 optical input limited to 4 digits beyond decimal in degrees. Change 8 or more digits in degrees to account for accurate observations. Current. UDL Unified Data Library as first option. Change the commercial OADR Open Architecture Data Repository as second option. Current. TLE HB4 use as first option. Change SP WinTi use as second option. To conclude this video, the second consideration of IOD and DC algorithms, SP-type space catalog, is highlighted as the red box in top center. Analytic perturbed orbit propagators, HB4 and or WinTi, can be used for track association or correlate observations in box 1. SP-type space catalog and WinTi or numerical integration can be used for UCT processing in boxes 2 to 7. Today, in 2023, accurate optical observations collected by less than $100,000 electro-optical systems are accurate up to 5 or more digits beyond the decimal in degrees. As a consequence, accurate state vectors can be computed by analytic perturbed IOD and DC algorithms, and in turn, efficient and accurate SP-type space catalog building and space domain awareness SDA. The Astro promotes new analytic perturbed algorithms for automatic commercial space catalog building. This website is not funded or supported by or related to any government. The opinions expressed in this website are purely based on decades of research. Again, this website promotes an alternative method for efficient automatic commercial space catalog building. This video describes why the second consideration, the SP-type space catalog, or SP space catalog for short, is needed for track association IOD and DC algorithms. Today, many commercial space companies claim that they are building their commercial SP space catalogs. However, if they are using HEB4 for analytic orbit propagation in track association, conjunction, and collision analysis, they are also building their second TLE space catalogs. That is, they converted the accurate state vectors in the SP to mean orbital elements in the TLE. It is well known that this conversion is not robust, and HEB4 has singularities, and in turn making automatic catalog building difficult. On the other hand, the analytic SP WinTi method improves efficiency by using directly the accurate state vectors in the SP space catalog for analytic object propagation in track association, UCT processing, conjunction and collision analysis, prediction for future pointing, among others. That is, instead of building two catalogs, SP and TLE, only the SP catalog is sufficient for catalog maintenance and catalog building, not to mention the problematic TLE conversion and the use of HTTP4 become redundant. Also, SP-WinT method provides not just a second opinion to the TLE HTTP4 method, but improves and verifies other computer results. I am Jim De. Thank you for watching this video of theastro.com.